Trademo today is synonymous with making global supply chains intelligent, resilient, and compliant. But give us a glimpse into how the company started and the journey so far.
Journey started in 2020 in the middle of pandemic. In 2015, Salav established a company called Jeep Loan, and it was with the purpose to provide financial securities to unprivileged, creditless street vendors. So far, the Jeep Loan has served more than 1 million customers. But what happened in the 2020? It was close to the humanity and the crisis. So Trademo started with the vision of creating impact close to the humanity by Salav, who is the founder and CEO.
Okay, so let's talk about cloud now. So what were your main business priorities and why did you choose Google Cloud?
For any startup, whether this belongs to a tech startup or any other startup, the agility is the one fundamental thing, right? In least time you have to achieve the most. The time to learn and adaptability of the Google Cloud is so well, the UI and the UX, and you do not need to make your team to learn it. As far as the cost comes, the GCP is very cost effective, almost I will say comparatively 60%. I think the time cost and the efficiency I said, the instances are very much efficient. If you are using A100, you can deploy any kind of Falcon, text bison, any ML models you can choose and you can just run it through. Yeah.
How did our channel partners yours help you in your transformation journey?
It was not an easy task. We are using almost all type of databases. We are using vector database, we are using graph database, we are using Elasticsearch, MongoDB, Postgres, Redis, etc. At that point in time, the ability of the CS team to get deep dive inside what has been built, what is the current infrastructure, and to plan it out in a way that on given a kind of a downtime, which is the least possible downtime, they came up with that. That is number one. Number two is that security is very utmost important thing for any data company or any technology company. CS team is well aware about these kind of the practices. Even at certain point, when we did our internal audit, I looked into the things. I realized, they have touched almost all of the items, and they have taken care of these all kind of constant so well. The third thing is the people. The people are so humble, and even after the migration, they always come up with the help. Whether this is related to billing or not, they will help you out in any kind of opportunity or any kind of share information, any kind of support if you require.
And to wrap things up, maybe one line for those who are still thinking about whether they should or should not move to Google Cloud.
If the criteria matches, if it comes with the cost, time and efficiency, we should try, the GCP and Google Cloud.